Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at an online presentation tool called Canva. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now of course you may be looking for that online tool to use. Now in terms of this, you may be wanting to create a presentation, make posters, logos, media posts and more. So pretty much Canva is that sort of online tool that allows you to do this. Now, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a good overview and even demonstrate some of the tools and some of the features that Canva actually has to offer. So on initial startup, this is Canva itself. Now this is once you've created an account, but we'll go ahead and head back to the actual main screen itself. So when you initially just enter the site itself, this is what you will see. So of course you've got options to check out the design spotlight. You've got business, education, plans and pricing, some of the things that you can learn like logo maker, flyer maker, banner maker and so on. You've got your way for blogs, design school, events, a help center. There's quite a few options in order to get you started with using the Canva presentation. Now, before we start looking at the rest of the site, we're going to want to either log in or sign up. So the way to do that is just clicking on the top right and selecting sign up or either log in. Now of course you can log in using the following social media or any other form of way to access the Canva. Now you can go in using Google, Facebook, email, or of course signing in with another way. Now I've got a Google account already. Next you'll get another pop-up there, and you'll not be able to see it on my screen, but it'll just be a Google sign-in account, and I'm just going to select my profile. So we'll go ahead and enter the actual dashboard of Canva. So as soon as we are logged in here, of course at the moment we are using the free version of Canva. Now you can also try the Canva Pro, but we'll look at the plans and pricing later on in the video and we'll reflect on this. Now what I want to check out first is some of the templates that I have, so we'll go ahead and select the templates. Now you can try there's something new there, which is the magic design. Now just below shows the recommended. You've got presentations as well, social media, videos, and some more of course. Now if we select on the presentations, we've got a list of different options there. There's a 6x9 presentation, which is just a standard one. You've got talking presentations, presentations mobile first, presentations 4x3, brainstorm presentations, and game presentations. Now we'll go ahead and flick through the different ones here. So we'll select on the presentations first. Now from what I know, there's at least 300,000 templates to choose from, so you're not really stuck for choice. But you do have to know that there are ones that are going to be paid for with other sort of people that have made them. Now they're not just made by Canva themselves, they are made by other people. So pretty much once you've flicked through and selected a potential presentation you want to go for, all you would need to do is just either star it and save it for later on, or you can go ahead and select the three little dots and then go ahead and try out the presentation or template. But before we go ahead and do that, we're going to check out the rest of the other ones that they have to offer. So we'll go back home. And of course, with the other presentations there, they've got talking presentations. The game presentation, I do believe, is an actual interactive one. So this is an online sort of in-person ordeal type presentation, which is cool. You wouldn't get that with using the PowerPoint, of course, and maybe some of the other online presentations out there. So this is something that's new to me as well. So that's a very, very fun thing to have. So overall, with 477 templates to choose, that's quite a lot. already. So of course they also have their social media there, their videos, and of course they've got more as well, like wall calendars, infographics, photo collages, desktop wallpapers, graphs, and book covers, and so on. We'll go ahead and select the presentation anyway. We'll do the 16 by 9. So of course you have that option to create a blank presentation, or you can go ahead and select some of the ones that they have. So if we do the Canva one, we'll do one of the Canva one, which is the green blobs basic. I'll go ahead and customize that template. Now it takes a little minute to load in, but once it's loaded in, you'll get into another page for the dashboard. So here we are on the actual dashboard itself. Now, as you can see, I'm able to collaborate with other people as well, so I can give access to people by adding their names or emails. We can take a look at the insights, some of the views and viewers, engagement, unique links, and social media, but that's only with actually going for the pro version. Now you have the option to present it once you're actually completed your presentation with presenter view, present and record. You can present a full screen. Now if you're presenting a full screen, this is pretty much how it looks. You've even got a blue little dot to follow through. So of course, depending on how many slides you have, so you can keep adding them in, you can apply other ones there. Of course, if you've made a mistake, you can go ahead and redo and undo. So just say I did a couple of ones there. Add as new page. Okay, like that. And I go ahead and present that. I can do a presenter view if I wanted to. So a presenter view basically means that it'll open up another window. You'll not actually see that. And of course you can enter a full screen mode as well. So that gives it more engagement towards the viewers. So we'll go ahead and exit off that. So now in terms with, as well as the slides here, in terms with actually changing things a bit and modifying them, it's very, very easy to do. As you can see, it is a drag and drop editor. I can move things about if I wanted to. I can even delete them as well. So I could start from completely from scratch. I can add some elements in, so arrows, you've got lines, circles, squares. You can also search up the elements if you wanted to. So just say, if I wanted to have a car, I can drag and drop a car in. Of course, I can add videos as well. So there's quite a few options there. Some of these will be paid for, of course. I can also add some audio. So quite a few interesting elements to add into your actual presentation, and you're doing that without ease, or you're doing that with ease, sorry. So it's very easy to do, no hassle, no issues, nothing's crashing down when I add those elements in. As well as that, I can go ahead and upload some media using the Google Drive, the Dropbox, of course, there's Facebook, Instagram, and I'd love to say that is the mail, not too sure. But moving swiftly, we've got some text there that we can add in, like the sparkle. I can change that as well. So quite a lot of creative things to add in, and I can delete this completely if I wanted to. As well as this, I can go ahead and draw. So I'm not quite the best at drawing with a mouse, but just like that, you're able to draw, so you can use that within the presenting an area. So of course this is how our presentation looks so far. Of course I can draw areas in. Go ahead, exit off that. And as well as that, I can go ahead and view some of the projects and designs, some of the ones that I've purchased, some of the ones that I've starred. So just say if I did star something, let's just say I wanted to star the Green Blobs Classic. Go to the starred, it'll show me what I've starred. I can do another one here, which is the portfolio presentation. And we'll go back and select starred. So another really cool feature that I think is really good is that there is actually a way to have text to image. So this actually uses AI. So we'll do an example here. So just say I want to type in trees. So this sort of programming software actually is called DAL-E2, and this is another computer program that can take a description of something and create an image of it. So it's pretty much just like an artist, but instead it uses a computer instead of paints and canvases. So as you can see, it's actually formed a couple of trees there for us, so a couple of images, and I can add them in. So that's really cool. That's another cool feature about this. So this is mainly all AI based as well, which makes the processes of creating a presentation a lot faster as well. So it might be worthwhile taking a look at some of the online tools like this presentation tool and to use it for your advantage. Well, be it with businesses or by teaching. So now that we've had a good look over and a insight over the actual Canva presentation or the tool itself, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the pricing plans. Now, of course, we're on the free version at the minute, but you can select the Pro. Now, these are the prices that's on it. So, of course, with the Canva free, it's a drag and drop editor for easy customizations. Got 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types, social media posts, presentations, letters, and more. Got 1 million free photos and graphics, AI powered design tools, Magic Write, Magic Design, Magic Edit, and more. So as you can see, these are all mainly AI powered. That's what makes all the fluid designs as well reality. You've got Canva Pro there though. So of course the difference is the fact that you're paying £100 per year. That's only for one person. Now, everything in free plus the features you'll love. So you'll have more AI powered design tools like BeatSync and more. You've got 1 terabyte of cloud storage, but I would say 5 gigabytes is quite a bit for a free version as well. And on top of that, you'll get 24/7 customer support when paying Canva Pro, along with the other ones like resizing designs, removing images and video backgrounds in one click. So quite a bit more features that assist you with making your presentations. Now, as I've said, teachers and schools could pretty much use this, so they can get verified, and once you have that, then you could pretty much use this tool. So here's one there. They've got a this would be a game presentation. You could see how it's great for interacting with kids as well. It creates a happier atmosphere as well as enhancing your learning experience when using a presentation tool like Canva. As you can see, it does increase engagement and deliver impactful feedback in one place. So of course, in order to actually get the Canva Pro for free, you would need to get verified as a teacher and as a school as well. So take full advantage of that if you are watching this as a teacher. Definitely would recommend to use the Canva, especially if you want to engage more with the kids' learning. or the students learning, then by all means this would be a great online tool to have. Now, of course, in business perspectives, you can do content creation, team collaboration. There's an area there for real estate, agency sales, case studies, brainstorms, and workshops. So this would be great for you as well. So you could use Canva for Teams as well, and it would be pretty much great to have collaborators. As you can see, this is the demonstration on how it would work, where people could pitch in their ideas. Now, you can see that these are some of the teams that are using it, like Zoom, HubSpot, Sony Music, Reddit. So quite a few big title names there. So this should encourage you to pretty much use this platform. But folks, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Of course, there is a lot to cover with Canva, but it would be great to just try it out yourselves, see what you think about it. Now, it is free, which is great, and you can just continue using the free version. You don't need to pay for the Canva Pro if you don't think it'll benefit you. But of course, if you guys have any questions regarding what we've discussed today, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.